The unfathomable universe, a journey into the surreal vastness of space. Sir Arthur Stanley Eddington once profoundly observed, "The universe is not only stranger than we imagine, it is stranger than we can imagine." This compelling assertion captures the sheer enormity and complexity of the cosmos, an ever-expanding frontier that continually defies the boundaries of human comprehension. As we stand on the shores of our pale blue, gazing outward into the infinite sea of stars, galaxies, and mysteries, it becomes increasingly evident that the universe is not just vast in space, but also in its enigma and elegance. We live in a realm that transcends not only our immediate perception, but also the intellectual tools we use to understand it. The universe stretches across unimaginable distances, operates on timescales that dwarf human history, and is governed by physical laws that reveal phenomena utterly alien to our everyday experience. From the quantum fluctuations that sparked the Big Bang to the gravitational pull of supermassive black holes, the universe is a masterpiece of both chaos and order, beauty and terror. The fear of the infinite. As awe-inspiring as the universe may be, its vastness also evokes a very real and documented psychological response. This response, known officially as astrophobia, cosmophobia, or spacephobia, represents the existential dread that some individuals feel when contemplating the cosmos. It's not just the emptiness that frightens, though the void between celestial bodies is indeed terrifying. It's also the overwhelming idea that the universe harbors secrets and scales beyond human control or understanding. This fear is not irrational. After all, from our limited vantage point on Earth, we can observe only a minuscule fraction of the observable universe. Even with our most powerful telescopes, we peer into a mere sliver of the cosmic totality. The majority of what exists remains beyond our sight and grasp, and what lies beyond that cosmic horizon may well challenge the very fabric of what we believe to be possible. Jupiter, the colossal king of planets. Even within our own solar system, the strangeness and power of the universe assert themselves vividly. Take, for example, Jupiter, the gas giant that reigns supreme among planets. With a diameter of nearly 143,000 kilometers, Jupiter is so massive that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. This titanic planet is home to the Great Red Spot, a centuries-old storm system larger than Earth itself. If Earth were to collide with Jupiter, the result would be apocalyptic. Our planet would be consumed by Jupiter's dense atmosphere, crushed by its immense gravity, and eventually fused with its exotic internal layers, vanishing like a single raindrop falling into the ocean. Those caught within this terrifying descent would experience hurricane-force winds, extreme pressure, and eventually, the searing heat of liquid metallic hydrogen, a strange and alien form of matter that exists deep within Jupiter's interior. The rise of exoplanets and the possibility of life. Just a few decades ago, humanity did not even know whether planets existed beyond our solar system. It was only in the early 1990s that astronomers confirmed the presence of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than the Sun. Today, thanks to revolutionary technologies like the Kepler Space Telescope and the Transiting Exoplanet Survey satellite tests, we have discovered over 6,900 exoplanets in more than 4,900 different systems. Yet, this is only the beginning. Astrophysicists estimate that our Milky Way galaxy alone may harbor between 100 and 200 billion planets. Many of these worlds remain hidden, waiting to be discovered, and some may even support forms of life as yet unknown to science. In a 2020 study by the University of Nottingham, scientists proposed that there could be at least 36 intelligent civilizations currently active within our galaxy. When one considers that the observable universe contains an estimated 200 billion galaxies, each filled with billions of stars and planets, the potential number of intelligent civilizations becomes staggering, reaching into the trillions when speculated mathematically. The question of whether we are alone in the universe becomes not just a scientific inquiry, but a philosophical imperative. Alien worlds and cosmic horrors. However, not all exoplanets are habitable havens. Some are more akin to hell's capes than homes. Consider HD 189733b, a gas giant located approximately 64 light-years away from Earth. With surface temperatures exceeding 3,000 degrees Celsius and wind speeds reaching 30,000 kilometers per hour. This planet is one of the most extreme environments ever observed. Its deep blue hue is not due to oceans, but to an atmosphere laced with razor-sharp particles of silicate glass, which are hurled around the planet at blistering speeds. NASA fittingly referred to the phenomenon as rains of terror, and HD 189733b stands as a testament to the diversity and danger of worlds beyond our solar system. The scale of stars, from our sun to stellar titans. Even the stars, those twinkling lights that inspired poetry and myth, are not the gentle pinpricks they appear to be. Our sun, with its impressive diameter of 1.4 million kilometers, constitutes 99.86% of the mass of our entire solar system. It powers life on Earth and anchors the planetary orbits with its gravitational pull. Yet on a galactic scale, our sun is nothing more than a middle-aged, average-sized star. Far larger and more powerful stars populate the cosmos. One such example is Stephenson 2-18, a red supergiant star located some 20,000 light-years away in the constellation Scutum. With a radius approximately 2,150 times greater than that of our Sun and a volume over 10 billion times larger, Stephenson 2-18 is among the largest stars ever discovered. And even that pales in comparison to the quasar TON 618, an ultraluminous active galactic nucleus surrounding a supermassive black hole. With a mass estimated at 66 billion solar masses, TON 618 is a monster among monsters, emitting light at a magnitude of minus 30.7, making it about 140 trillion times brighter than the Sun. Its Schwarzschild radius, or the boundary from which nothing can escape, is calculated to be around 300 astronomical units, about 40 times the orbit of Neptune. The Great Cosmic Void. While stars and black holes represent matter at its most extreme, there also exist places where matter seems almost entirely absent. One such region is the Boötes Void, a vast area in the universe nicknamed the Great Nothing. Spanning an estimated 300 million light-years in diameter, this massive void contains virtually no galaxies, stars, or visible matter. It stands in stark contrast to the densely packed clusters of the cosmic web and serves as a chilling reminder of the emptiness that pervades most of the universe. Plasma, photons, and the power of the sun. When it comes to matter itself, space challenges even our basic understanding of physical states. On Earth, matter generally exists in solid, liquid, or gaseous states. In space, however, 99.9% of visible matter is found in the plasma state, a high-energy mixture of electrons and ions. Our Sun is a gargantuan sphere of plasma, a fusion reactor that fuses approximately 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. The Sun's influence doesn't stop at light. It also unleashes powerful solar winds, streams of charged particles that interact with Earth's magnetic field. These collisions trigger a phenomenon known as magnetic reconnection, in which magnetic field lines break and reconnect, releasing energy and accelerating particles. When these particles strike Earth's upper atmosphere, they ignite the auroras, the breathtaking, swirling curtains of green, purple, and red that dance across polar skies. As we continue to explore, observe, and theorize, one truth becomes increasingly clear. The universe is not just larger than we think, it's larger than we can think. And yet, within its impossible enormity, we find not despair but wonder. For the deeper we look into space, the more we learn about ourselves, our past, our place, and perhaps even our future.